Adventures.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here at park number 40, Memorial Park. They are having Carnival Family Fun Day, so we're going to check that out. Games, food, prizes, bounce house, Splashpad. Fun.
That's right. All right, park number 40. Who's ready? Who's ready? All right, here we go. Woo!
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low. Now, if you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post. Melodies on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again.
Brother, play all
I want to remember
Which one are you going to pick?
all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
So good.
Free hot dog. What?
Hot dog and chips.
Free lunch.
Fun.
There is such a thing as a free lunch.
On that. Yeah, here.
Yummy.
You're getting me wet, chasing you around. You gonna get in there? Uh-oh. All right. I'm coming in. I'm coming in.
How do we get out? How do we get out? Run. We made it. Right through. So great. Yeah.
Whoa! Wipe out. Damn it. Damn it, go through there. Go through there. What are you doing? Putting water in a bag. And pop. Uh-oh, we got a hole on both sides now. We'll do it in reverse.
Careful. That's pretty high up there. You did it 2 times in a row already? Wow. Whoa! Does that go so fast?
Whoa! Super speed. Here comes Camden. Whoa!
That's fun. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Whoa! Are you dizzy? No! Squirrel. Fastest slide. It's like a water slide, isn't it? So fast. Whoa, it's like climbing a tree like a lumberjack. Oh. That is so cool, buddy.
Stop, you're too high. Are you a lumberjack?
Can you catch me when I jump?
Leave a message in. Oh, you got caught in a spider web. You need help? You need rescued?
Whoa, like a giant spider. Hi. You're so tall. What is this? Are you on a giant dragonfly?
But could you hold me?
You gotta have really long arms, I think.
I think Daddy and Mommy put there is one right.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a seesaw.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm too high. Too high now. Ow. Good job. You lost Emmett into the sun.
You lost Emmett in the sun. Emmett? Way to go, Emmett.
Over here. Yay, faster. Faster. Faster.
I don't want you to fall off.
I'm holding on. A rock.
What's it say? Be good.
Be good.
Alright, you gonna hide it here?
Our ferry door from Memorial Park. I'm gonna go put it out.
Okay, we are all done here at Memorial Park. Park number 4. All right. Camden, what was your favorite part?
Wait for it.
Attack thingy.
The attack thingy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, on the inflatable like American Gladiator thing. Yeah, that
You're
was
pretty good.
My favorite part is everything.
I knew it! I knew it!
everything. All right, Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The Splashpad. Definitely nice.
You
On a hot 95-degree day.
love everything.
He sure does.
Mama, what was your favorite part?
I'm gonna say my favorite part was the splash pad and the playground. They had that fake grass again. I love that. Love that.
With a
Love
fake
that.
Love that.
With a fake grass.
Yeah,
You don't have
fake
to mow
grass. Love that.
Fake grass.
Love that.
Yeah.
You love fake
And
grass?
thanks for the Parks Department.
Love that.
Love that.
Thanks for the Parks Department.
Love that.
thanks to the Parks Department. Thanks to the Parks Department for having the little carnival stuff and dinner and hot dogs and chips. Thank you.
Yeah, it was all free. That was really cool. It got hot dogs and chips and fun.
And fun.
And
Most
fun. And
importantly,
Camden got
fun.
a huge book and a book bag. I don't even know if we saw his book. Did you get the video of the book? Yeah, books and coloring books. Free. Prizes. Yeah,
Chips
they're all
left over.
free. This big book. Haven't even read it yet.
That look. Oh.
Disney's John Carter.
Free!
Yeah, for
And
free.
it's new. Wait. Maybe it's
And it's
Kim.
new.
Wait. Maybe it could be my merchandise.
Yeah, that's your merch. Is your book?
We got
You
some-
read a book? BB and Adventure book?
Yeah.
I like it.
Merch.
Pop up.
So, comment that. Yeah, what Emmett said. Like our video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.
Ding!
And that was our next video.
Yeah, notifications on our next video.
And click our merchandise to see our video we always posted.
Our merchandise stuff.
We
And
need merch.
and watch our
it's
video
just
we
locks and cherry doors.
already posted.
Right. Okay. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next time. Bye bye.
He's down.
It's gonna be cool, BBN. BBN Adventures.
We can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can.
Why are you sad? Why? Because the pool's closed? I know, but they need more people to work.
Never be able to swim again.
Maybe you could be a lifeguard and work at the pool and help them out when you get older, huh? That'd be a good idea? They need
But I
more
never
life.
see you guys.
So you'll never see us.
Well, you won't work there all the time.
Just when it's open.
Like
That's
when I
why
go to work, I come home.
you come home. That's why the pool closes so people can go home. You will swim again, but